Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to share screen on Facebook Messenger. Watch the video till the end without skipping and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to share a screen on Facebook Messenger on your mobile device, tap open your Facebook Messenger application and sign into your account if necessary. Once you're in, from your chat screen, simply start a video call with one of your contacts. After you reach to the conversation screen with one of your contacts, tap on the video call option at the top of the screen and start your video call. After your friend joins in your call, simply swipe up to expand the option bar. Now tap on Share Your Screen under Things to Do Together. From the pop-up, select Start Now. Now, simply minimize the call by tapping on Minimize Call at the bottom right after your screen share has started, and you can navigate to your other apps while the video call is in the background. In order to stop your screen sharing, you can simply tap on Stop Sharing option. That is how you can share your screen on Facebook Messenger. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.